In this video, you'll learn how to effectively use the Windsurf Codemaps feature. By following these steps, you will be able to navigate through the application and utilize its capabilities. Begin by opening the Windsurf application on your device. Locate the application icon on your desktop or in your applications folder and double-click it to launch. Once the application is open, you should see the main interface with various options available for editing and creating. Next, look for the editor button on the main screen. This option is typically situated prominently, allowing easy access for users. Click on Editor to enter the editing mode where you will have the tools necessary to work with code maps. After entering the editor, locate the Code Maps option within the editing tools. This section may be represented with a specific icon or label. Click on Code Maps to access the related features, which will allow you to begin your mapping process. Once you're in the Code Maps section, you will see several options, including Fast. Click on this option to explore a quick approach to generating your maps. This feature is designed to provide immediate results, making it useful for rapid development. Following that, you will want to click on the Smart option. This feature offers a more tailored approach to generating Codemaps, utilizing advanced algorithms to enhance the quality of your output. Next, navigate to the Suggestions section. Here, you will find various recommendations based on your previous selections and inputs. Click on Suggestions to view the options available to you. After reviewing the suggestions, you can choose one by clicking on the specific suggestion you find most suitable. This action will help you refine your code maps based on the intelligent recommendations provided by the application. Now, proceed by clicking on the Generate button. This action initiates the process of creating your code maps based on the inputs and suggestions selected earlier. You may see a loading indicator or a confirmation message indicating that the generation is in progress. A message will appear confirming that Windsurf is generating your code maps. This is an important step as it ensures that the application is processing the information you've provided. Wait for the generation to complete, which may take a few moments depending on the complexity of the code maps being created. Buy and allow time for the application to generate the code maps. During this period, ensure you do not navigate away from the application as it may interrupt the process. Once the generation is complete, you will receive a notification indicating that your code maps are ready for use. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.